Hello kids, welcome to the Dill Learning Channel. Today we are going to learn place value, the place value of whole numbers. So before we begin, we are going to learn some vocabulary. So please repeat after me. Ones, tens, hundreds. We are going to say that again. Ones, tens, hundreds. It's very important to know this vocabulary, this math vocabulary, because when you're looking at a whole number, you need to know the place value of each of those numbers in the whole number. So let's go ahead and look at our first whole number. That number is 77. That number has 2 digits. Each of those digits hold a place value, okay, or a placement. So let's look at the very far right-hand digit of that number. That digit is a 7. Well, that 7 is in the ones place. Okay? Next to that 7 is another 7. Or is another 7. Another 7. So we are going to say that is the tens place. Okay? Now, you have the ones and tens. The very far right-hand digit is always the ones place. Moving over towards the left, that next digit is always the tens place. Now, when dealing with double digits, I have this wonderful clue of how to remind myself. It spells out the word 2. So when you're looking at double digits, always remember that word 2, write 2 under it if you cannot remember mentally, and you'll get the answer because that O is ones and that T is tens. Very easy to remember when you're dealing with double digits. Okay? Now, when we're looking at a whole number that represents the hundreds, okay, I like to think of the clue H2O, and I'll show you. Let's look at 172. Remember, we're looking at the far right-hand side is always the ones. Moving towards the left, that middle number now, or that digit next to the ones, is always the tens. And now we are going to learn that the third digit next to that tens is the hundreds. My clue, if you're thinking of chemistry, water. H2O is water. So always write H2O because if you spell out the word 2, it's spelled T-W-O. So I think of H2O. Write that underneath a whole hundreds number, and you will be able to remember with ease that the O is the ones place, the T is the tens, and the H is the hundreds place. H2O. If you're doing double digits again, that is 2. T-O. Now let's go ahead and just do a practice together. So go ahead and write this number 122 on your paper. I would like for you to write where the O goes on this whole number. Where is the ones place? Then I would like for you to write the T for where is the tens place. Last, write the H underneath the number or the digit where that is the hundreds place. Okay, now let's correct it together. This whole number was 122. So when you say the number out loud, 100 already gives you the answer. Okay, but let's go ahead and order. That first digit on the far right-hand side is the ones place. This middle digit is the tens place. And you already said it out loud, 100. So we know that that is the hundreds place. H2O, remember that, water, okay, when you're dealing with 3 digits. TO, 2, when you're dealing with double digits. This was a quick lesson just to show you where place value is in a whole number. Okay, until next time, we are going to be adding multiple digits, so please make sure that you understand your place values before you start adding double or multiple digits or triple digits. So please share this video, share the Deal Learner channel with your friends and family. Remember, this is a nonprofit to help give or provide free education for kids everywhere, tutoring, or if you want to get your child ahead to make them a Deal genius and let them learn even a year ahead or 2 years ahead how to do their academics in a great and awesome manner. Please share with your friends, and until next time, goodbye.